So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Zangi Messenger app. So if you want to use the Zangi private messenger, you can do that just by downloading the app, registering for their private 10-digit virtual ID, and you can then start adding contacts. So let's just jump into the app. From this point, you can see at the bottom chats, calls, contacts, and settings. You can edit your profile, you can add people through here. And by doing that, you can invite people to Zangi or even start chatting amongst each other once you add each other's private numbers. So this is that 10-digit number that I was talking about. So each Zangi member is going to get assigned one once they're sign up. From that point, you can just choose this arrow pointing to the right, which would be your share icon. So you can share that 10-digit number to your contacts across different platforms. So you can send them an email, send them an SMS, text message, some other ways of communication. Just by you sending all of that, you're going to invite them basically to use the app. And then once they create their private ID, you can share those private IDs and then start chatting with each other. So this is all done like that. You can create specific calls. You can check out your contacts. You can even set up your contacts and your favorite contacts. You can go to your settings, invite friends, even subscribe to Zangi Premium if you're interested in that. You can use some other features of Zangi, but the main thing is communication, and that is key to the Zangi app. And that's what the basic reason for you having the app is to better communicate with your contacts. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share a video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Zangi or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.